Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, let me tell you something that you can do and start making money in whatsoever you are doing. What is that? Be constant. Yes, that is what I want to tell you. Be constant in whatsoever you are doing, just be doing it consistently. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة وإنها لكبيرة إلا على الخاشعين. Indeed, seek for assistance from your Lord with sabri, with patience, which means that in whatsoever you are doing, if you want to succeed in whatsoever you are doing, you must be patient. You must have patience in whatsoever you are doing. You must be doing it consistently for you to start seeing a result. Salah, and also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and also with prayer. Yes, with prayer. Which day have you remembered to pray to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to let you to succeed in your work? So if you have not been praying to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before, start praying for your work. Start praying to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make your work a tools, a means of provision for you. And also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَإِنَّهَا لَكَبِيرَةٌ إِلَّا عَلَى الْخَاشِعِينَ. This indeed, it is very big, yes, except for those who are fearing Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It will be little in their eyes. They will be looking at it that it's not that big, for them to be patient. It will not be an issue for them, and also for them to pray to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will not be an issue for them because they are fearing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For someone that doesn't fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will be an issue for him or her. My brothers and sisters in Islam, this is what you can do and be seeing results, be making money in whatsoever you are doing. And also, if you are talking about online business that you can do, the business that I can recommend for you, it's also a job, but it's quite easy. But what can make you also succeed in this business, which name is Amazon KDP, is what? Is consistently. Yes, it is Amazon KDP that I can recommend for you to be doing. And also there is a course that I can recommend for you to buy. In that course, they are going to teach you how you can start publishing your book without you being a writer before, So inshallah biqudratullah, in the description of this video there is the link for that course in the description of this video. Just click on it and go and buy the course with my referral link. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.